So, guys, we'll be talking on how to link your Kabibot to your trading platform, and today we'll be working with Bybit. So, this is the Kabibot platform. Once you log in, you click on the drop down, and then you select My Bots. Then you click on Credentials. Then click the drop down and you create credentials. So this is for the Binance platform. Mind you, we're working with Bybit, and these are the IP addresses. So you have to change the platform from Binance to Bybit. And then you give your credentials a name. So we're going to name it Trade Bybit 1. And after that, we go to our Bybit app to do the linking. So if you're creating your Bybit account for the first time, you will be given the light version, and this version doesn't allow you create API keys, right? So I'll show you that now. So yeah, if we search for API, you would notice there's nothing like that there. So the Bybit Pro version is the one who gives you access to API management. So we have to switch our account back to the Pro version. And then when we type in the API, you can see it's right there. So you wait for the page to load up. So don't worry about all the big grammars. The only thing we are focused on is the create an API key. So it loads up. And this is the API management page. You click on create new key, the system generated API keys. So for the API key usage, we are leaving it at API transactions, and then we give our API key the same name we gave it on our Kabibot platform. So Trade Bybit 1. And then the API key permissions, you change it to read write. There are certain sets of permissions we have to approve that are on the platform. So we copy our IP addresses first. Copy each and every one of them. You differentiate them by giving a comma. You don't give any space at all when you're copying and pasting. So you copy every single one of them and you paste them here. If you notice, we selected the only IPs with permissions granted are allowed access option. Reason is because you are telling the platform that you want it to give permission to only those IP addresses you've selected. So now these are the permissions we need to tick or activate on the Bybit platform. So we've checked our read write already. The next one is unified trading, which is this. Then there are options under it too. So we have check orders, check permission, check trade. So orders, permission, trade are ticked already. We have to untick that. It's not part of the things we are meant to check. And then we go back, check assets, check account transfer and sub account transfer also. So you scroll down to assets. So you tick that. So account transfer and sub account transfer, and then we untick the rest. We don't need them. And when you're done, you click on submit. So now it will require a security verification from you, which you will get from your Google Authenticator. That's the 6 digits code that will be sent to you there. It takes about 30 seconds before it changes. So you have to copy that from there and paste on the app. So I've copied mine. Now our key has successfully been created. So you copy your API keys and you paste them on your Kabibot platform. Same with the secret key, also you copy and you paste. And then you click on add credentials. So this is how you create a credential on the Kabibot platform. If you scroll down, you can see the key we just created. So if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.